Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Talha, your British kid trainer from England. Welcome to another video. So today I'll be pronouncing 8 words that are very hard to pronounce. So I know that I haven't been doing videos after Eid, but I'm very sorry for that. But inshallah, there will be more lessons to come. So please pay attention because these are the 8 words that are very hard to pronounce, but they are very simple at the same time. So I'm sorry if you already know them, but the people who started seeing what my channel and my lessons, they need to learn. So inshallah today I'll be saying 8 words that are very hard to pronounce. So here we go. Number 1, fruit. Fruit, 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 fruit. So often people get it's very hard to pronounce fruit. Fruit is sometimes very hard to pronounce due to how it. So if someone goes down and sees fruit, 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 and they say it's spelled in a weird way, they would say fruit, fruit. Fruit, fruit. So the U and the I comes together. So it's a diphthong. It's a diphthong. Now it's coming to a diphthong. 2 letters creating one sound. I said this many times in my video. Fruit. The U and the I come to create a sound, a different type of deep U sound. Fruit, fruit. Number 2. Suit. This is very similar to fruit. So some of them are going to be very hard, but some of them are very easy. But by the end of the video, you will be learning all of these, inshallah. So suit. Again, the same thing, the same diphthong, but just the S and the T. Suit. There's no difference to fruit. It's just the S and the T and the N, the S and the T at the end. So this is not very hard to pronounce when if you're a master at the U and the I. If you're good at diphthongs for the U and the I, then you can actually master all of these words that are just the same as this. Number 3, vegetable. So today in this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you something else as well. That's like I teach you diphthongs, but now it's called syllables. Now syllables are very simple. They're not the same, but they're easier to do with diphthongs, like easier understanding. So say if you're gonna big word like computer, then you say computer. You half into 3 parts. Computer, 3 syllables. Computer, 3 syllables. Like also hospital, hospital, 3 syllables as well. So like this, vegetable, 3 syllables. So syllables are parts that make a word. Also, sounds make a word, that is true, but syllables also make a word. So if someone is trying very hard to actually say a big word, then what they should do, the smartest thing that should come in your head is the syllables. The syllables will make it very easier for you to pronounce big words, and this will impress English and teachers, and soon enough you will know these, and it will be very easy to do. So I know I'm teaching, this is very new, and you're just seeing, you just learned it, but I promise you, this is one of the most easiest things in English ever, because syllables are just parts. It's nothing different to syllables, it's just parts, but it can score you high rank in English. Small, but it can score high. So this is also very important. Number 4, chocolate. Chocolate. So chocolate. 2 syllables. Chocolate. So you know how it's spelled, just like fruit and suit. They're spelled different. I know. It's very different. It's very different, yes. But chocolate it's said differently, but spelled differently. So both spell and said are very different from each other. So chocolate, chocolate. So CHOCOLATE, chocolate. But then you say it as chocolate, chocolate. But you can't say it as chocolate, because that's not how you say it. You say chocolate, so it's a silent letter. The choc O, it's basically a silent letter, and the lit and the E is also, there's two words. The O and the E are the silent letters. So chocolate. You don't say the E. Just you don't really say it as the E. Number 5, biscuit. So another word which is similar to fruit, suit. It's just a bit bigger, but the same spell. Biscuit. It's a bit different, but biscuit. So if you say biscuit, it won't really make any sense. It won't make, any sense. But biscuit. Remember why I said the U and the I? No difference. Biscuit. Sometimes it is spelled differently. It's spelled way differently, and sometimes diphthongs in each words are different. Well, that doesn't really matter, but that's in a whole other lesson. But focus on the biscuit. If you don't know how to pronounce it, it's just biscuit. That's it. All you need to say is biscuit. Next one, comfortable. So, this is a word which is as comfortable. 3 syllables. 3. Number 1 syllable. Comfortable. So I know syllables make words, big words, sometimes small words. Just sometimes. But mostly it makes big words, because that's what the syllables drop to do. Make the hard into the easy. So some words are very hard to pronounce, but they're little. But the big ones that are very hard to pronounce, the syllables will make it just a piece of cake. Easily. Comfortable. Now, recipe. So this is word, it's quite easy to pronounce, like recipe. You don't really need to struggle in it. Recipe. So I said diphthongs will come out differently in different words. So this is one of them. Recipe. So there were the 8 words that I'm going to be telling you today. So please stay tuned for more and subscribe. And once again, it's me, Tala, your British kid trainer from England. Assalamu alaikum.